bricks. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ram with me mother food. Spanish town.
He's washing my clothes. A good man. Good man. Some man now wash them woman clothes. That's why people in my house are so weird when make you talk to me so. You owe me a compliment you and I talk nice boy. Yeah.
I'm going to compliment, brother. Oh dear, brother.
What?
If he's a compliment, go make you clothes and wash, man. Man, go in or something.
Man mean business, guys. So me I go do this morning, me I go try and make some breakfast. Right?
Huh?
While you wash me make the breakfast.
Hey man, I tell you something eat earlier for. Wait, go on in or something. They just come out of each other.
But
You
yeah.
have an online class. I'm going to learn something about
Yes,
them.
in about 25 minutes. But you're the one who called me out here. You see?
I asked you one question. I'm asking already.
But when you call me out here, you open a door. You open a door for conversation.
You have no more clothes in there for wash. That's my call if you ask, brother.
No, I don't. What you see
Alright,
there
you
is
can't go
that.
on now, brother.
Suppose I want to sit down and watch you.
Yeah, if you watch, stop it talking. With music up here, there's enough talking already.
I should have just turn over this in front of you. Yeah, guys, that is how you wash. You use a brush and you scoop.
Big man!
Me I show them how to wash.
Big man, listen to me, man. Listen to me, man.
Me I show it. What is wrong with you? Stop it, Kimar. Why are you wetting me up for? I got plantain and frankfurt and I had like seriously? Sure. And I had egg with bread. Let me put the sausage on it too. Man just come teeth out my things, but let's just go and remember. I have iCool. This is the worst flavor ever. Strawberry banana. Like I didn't even know they had this flavor. That is so disgusting. But yeah, that is my breakfast. So I'm here playing with the girls. I'm making them read and stuff like that. Jade in the boat. Me get them sweetie. Lord God, don't wanna try not get no hype upon me today. Which one are you reading, Michaela? What are you reading? What is that? What is this one? Donkey. What is this? Goat. Yes. What is this one?
Baba tea.
Yes, Baba. Black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What is this one? Cow. What did cow do? What does the cow say?
Moo.
Moo.
I say moo.
Yes.
I say moo.
What is that?
I think it's you.
Bunny rabbit.
Bunny rabbit.
Yes.
Yeah, bunny rabbit. My asking promise.
Yes, in my upper pile. How this little girl know how to play this game?
Me no teacher. Don't jump.
Like what? I'm confused. She just turned 3 yesterday. And she know how to play this game. Good. Watch her. That's Akela smart, man.
She know. She know play camera.
She knows how to play the game, J-Lo?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm gonna play my game.
You play your game?
Yes.
What's your game?
It's
You like that one too?
yes.
Oh.
I'm a new tablet.
Your new tablet? Yes. No, stop you. The last time I went up there, I was scared to come down because this step right here, like I couldn't feel it from up here, and they wanted me to like put my foot here, and I just feel like it's, I don't know, it's too low. Yeah, guys, look at my, I love this color. Look at it. It's cute. Yes, I do love video. What's the problem if I love videoing? I want to document my life. I want most of my eye them bother me, man. Oh Lord. Guys, look at the breakouts on my face. Ridiculous. Me just realized I want fall coop there, so you know. But through me I smell foul in a me I say what? Just a stare for me. What's up? What's up? I said the young baby love her gift. All day she's been in the bag playing with this. Oh, you love your present? Yes. Here's the dress one. Yes, let me see it. Show it to me. Oh, what happened at the recital? Yes, who broke the barrier? Look how the man fall. Good morning, guys. What's popping? I'm here eating a cheese patty and cocoa bread. Kimara's playing PUBG as always. Last night, what am I doing? Last night I was just here. I was just watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians all night because Kimara was at work and stuff like that. So that is what I was doing today. Not sure what I'm doing today. I don't really have any plans. Like, I don't have a lot of plans for this trip. Only Saturday I have planned for. But I think I'm gonna create some loot bags today. And I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I want to see my auntie, but let's see if that happens. But yeah, guys. People, you notice how it kind of dark in here? No storm rain up for me. You notice how it dark? Storm of Gwaan. There's a hurricane passing by, and it looked like the rain just saw, you know? This is a Gwaan hard. I don't even know if to close up this window here. I feel the water and there's electrical stuff here. It's gonna get mad dark. What's a Gwaan? What's a Gwaan?
Boy, I'm not afraid of it anymore. You just don't say you can't come. You do it this year. Slap him. Hear me say down this email. Ah! And he goes so.
Hey guys, so I'm out here about to change my money.
Put cash in your pocket and help the environment. Return your rich back.
In my last clip, y'all saw that I was downtown. So I'm back, and what I did down there, I changed my money because from I've been down here, I've not changed any money. And I got my chicken and chips. If my mom's watching this vlog, she's gonna be like, yo, every time you video, you always love food. So I eat my chicken and chips. Although, like, I've been craving it, but honestly, because when I'm in Canada, right now, I've been on a healthy eating journey. So like, me not really feel for these things to eat, but I always need to make sure that I get my chicken and chips when I come here, because chicken and chips are the best thing ever, right? So I'm just gonna get into this, and yeah. Curry chicken. Smells so nice.
Oh, go son.
Oh Jesus, what making my Gwaan so? Oh my God. We make you feel Gwaan so. Oh my goodness. Miserable bad. Morning or afternoon.
Good morning, guys.
What's up?
We are here today saying hi. Now today, my auntie is going to downtown today, and she's a candy maker. So I want to congratulate her. Today she knows how to make bubblegum. So if you want to come.
Alright, shh, let me do my introduction. So today, guys, I'm going downtown. I have to meet up with my uncle to give him a bunch of stuff from foreign. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, this is the fit. Yeah, don't mind the look of water spot and just some shorts and some stuff and some red slippers, right? So that way I do, you know. Oh yeah, I do. I told them I'm the candy man because they wonder where I get so much candy from. So I'm the candy man apparently. Yeah.
So guys, she's a candy man. Here, I saved yesterday when I was at school. I asked her to 2 bubble gum. I ate 1, and now I put up 1, and I'm not. I'm eating, and you see when you take it out of the wrapper, you taste strawberries in there.
Yes. All right,
so
guys.
Juicy.
All right, guys. Later. So every day my company here, I always talk about food, but it's all right. But guys, I get this chicken and chips from Nick's Kitchen. If you're in Paradise, Norwood, or Greens, you can come get nice chicken and chips instead of chicken and chips. The chicken bad, not tell no lie. Like, I did have a video this and show no before me eat it off. I never have nothing for show no, but yeah, it tastes good.